right, let's see if we can get this thing to go here.
All right, here we are, August 20th, Tuesday, August 20th, 2024. Okay, here we are on Veoh or Vimeo? Yeah.
Vimeo.
Vimeo. And what I'm doing here is I'm uploading my latest video about YouTube's fascist policies to Vimeo. And then we'll come back over here, and I copied all the information, and this is my YouTube video, which I'm getting ready to upload, the same video here. And I'm going to put the link for the Veoh video in the description at the top of my YouTube video. So as soon as this gets done here, I'm going to go over and I'll show you how to copy this is my dashboard for Vimeo here. Okay, let's say we want to share my Miller-Matic video. So you go over here and you click on this, click on that, you hit share. You're going to share your video link, and then you're going to copy that link. And now my link is copied into my clipboard. Wait, did it copy? Copy. There it is, copied. It says copied down there. Make sure you get that copied in there. Okay, now we're going to go back over. Now, if I wanted to share that video, that isn't really the video I want to share, but you put the link in there. Okay, now my Miller-Matic video is shared in here. Go over to my Vimeo. Let this open up here, and it's about 48%. I'll come back here in a minute. We'll pause this. Load finished. Finishing up. It's going to have to take a few seconds here. So, what you're going to do here is you're going to click on that. You're going to hit share. You're going to come down here. You share video link, and then you're going to hit copy. And make sure it says copy down here at the bottom. Or down. Well, it doesn't say it now. It only says it for a second there. So now I've got that video saved in Vimeo, and now I'm going to go over to my YouTube, and we're going to come up here, and we're going to take this link out of there because we don't want that one. That's the wrong link. Your Vimeo video is now ready, it says, up at the top, Vimeo. Okay, so now we're going to, and we're going to hit the share. So that is the link. See this video on Vimeo. And right there is the video link, and then we're going to hit, oh, sorry for all my fingers in the way, we're going to hit upload. So now when my video is on YouTube, it's already got the link for the Veoh. That they won't be able to take that down. Well, if they do, I still got the other video. And you're going to have a tremendous feeling of satisfaction once you realize, yeah, they can delete it all they want. I'm still on another platform or two platforms. Go to, I don't know, I don't do Snapchat or any of that stuff like that. But you can share your stuff there too. Do not put all your YouTube or all your eggs in the YouTube basket. Do not do it. Spread out. Set yourself free. Peace out. Have a great day, y'all.